Hi patrons, showing you a beautiful two-tone work done on a Street 750. Let me start from the front. It's got a two-tone uh, batwing with a small size visor. We also have tall visors. It's got a jumbo daymaker, 7-inch daymaker kit done by Adia. The aux light mounts are done by us. And then as you can distinctly see, this bike is tank race, which makes it look really nice. And it's got a 2020 panniers on it, a long haul seat with a adjustable backrest for height, tilt, whatsoever. Uh, Heat shields with LED. It's got our 130-degree patented forward foot controls for Street 750, footboards with LEDs. It has also got the long haul seat, mirror extenders, and it has also got and it has also got a extender for the pillions back for our long haul seat. Let me give you a 360 degree. Beautiful paint job. It has inner bags as well. Hope you guys like it.